All right. So you have had hopefully a chance to rehearse for the Prepare for the Share. We did some reading. We did some practice. You have a blank open strategy share protocol in Canvas, and you also have access to it through the Google Doc. I have also placed in Canvas for you a resource document that talks about different talk moves that you can use during discourse. We're not going to go over it right now, but it might be helpful for you to take a look at, particularly if you're running some discussions and discourse sessions during your student teaching. So as we prepare for the share, we are going to get ready for our assignment. Oops, I'm in the wrong spot. So here we go. So you have your third and final research-based practice assignment, RBP3C. It's going to be assigned tonight, and it will be due at the beginning of class on week 10. Here is what it looks like. So we have practiced all of this today. So you are going to put your name and date at the top. In Canvas, you will see that there's a student work set for you to look at. You are going to determine 3 student work samples that you will select for the whole group share. You're going to identify each sample that you select and briefly explain why you selected each sample. So you see there are 3, there's up to 2 points for each sample. Please make sure that you do it. Be thoughtful about which ones you pick. You're going to discuss each sample with respect to the strategy progression. Where does each lie with respect to direct modeling, counting, and invented algorithms, or even standard algorithms? And remember, they might be blended. Use specific examples from each piece to support your thinking. Up to 2 points per sample. Sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. Then you're going to decide who's going to go first. Which sample will share first and why? Which sample will you share second and why? And which student will share third and why? And remember that the students are the ones that will be talking about the strategies. Finally, you are going to take one of the samples and you are going to discuss this student's conceptual understanding. Use specific examples from the work to support your claim. Discuss this student's procedural fluency. Use specific examples from the work to support your claims. And then you're going to discuss their mathematical reasoning skills and use specific examples from the work to support your claim. Remember, this is just one piece of the 3 that you selected to share. So when you go into Canvas, you will see that in the research-based practice assignment, the template is there, and then we're going to be revisiting the Pokemon work. So we've already engaged with this in some capacity. So you're going to be selecting 3 pieces from this student work sample to share. So you're going to need to decide which one is going to go first, which one will go second, and which one will go third. And remember, it's important for you to be thinking about how students matriculate through the progression of direct modeling, counting, and then invented algorithms. So hopefully we have provided enough space for you to sort of engage in this work of preparing for the share. We're going to have another rehearsal in the research-based practice assignment. And then when you get to the lesson plan, you'll have this under your belt. All right, off you go.